अस्सलाम वालेकुम। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो मैंने एक वीडियो में कहीं कहा था कि सूडान, यमन, शाम, इराक, फ़लस्तीन, लीबिया, all wounded, all need help. I think if Pakistan is the right time to meet the brothers all, to everybody talk with them, join with us. Inshallah, we will help. Talk to them positively, visit to them because we can exchange so many things. We get laborers go for skill. So we call the brothers, give them nationality, no problem. They are skilled people. I know that because I have been living with them in Daman-Sutra, Malaysia. They are from Somalia, from like Yemen, from like Sudan, from Cambodia, from so many places. They know how to speak. They got skill. They are hardworking. They are very established. But sadly, they have no chance for the deployment right now because there is almost people are just taking that issue for their own politics to shine for their election only, but nobody is going to solve them. So the poor help with the poor, and Allah will give if we are united, if we are honest, if we put away our everything and become Muslim brother. So Allah will help us because we can develop again that all nation. Some skill we got over some adare is very professional. They need a chance to work even deliver, not to be stuck with the false matters. The people are creating here, do something positive, and I think should visit there, ask them, welcome them. I love you all. Thank you very much.